Send it to a friend who plays Roblox. Send it. Send it right now. Okay! Why you always such a noob? Lagging and thinking you're cool. I think you better study after school. Why you made out of poo? Simp, I am waiting for you. Can you please go stay in the zoo?
I can't trust anyone anymore. Why? Because the one person I thought would never turn on me, turned on me. The one person I thought would never hurt me, hurt me. The one person I thought would never leave me, left me. So tell me, why should I trust anyone else?
Why do apples fall from trees? Because of gravity. Why do fish live in the water? Because they can swim. Why do we eat food? Because we are hungry. Why do you look like that? Because you are ugly. Send this to your best friend. Roses are red. Violets are blue. How can I be as amazing as you?